The Snuggle Sac Checkered green flower blanket feels exceptionally soft and plush thanks to its dense microfiber construction, making it a cozy choice for year-round use on the couch or bed. Its green checkered and floral pattern brings a cheerful, modern twist to classic plaid, so it doubles as a decorative accent that instantly brightens a living space. The blanket is designed to be warm, yet breathable, so you stay comfortable without overheating whether you are watching television, reading, or napping. Because it is lightweight and generously sized at 50 by 60 inches, it works well as a throw for the sofa, a travel blanket, or an extra layer for guests. The fibers resist shedding and static, and the blanket holds up well to regular machine washing and low tumble drying, which keeps maintenance simple for busy households. Arriving neatly ribbon-wrapped, it is ready to give as a thoughtful present for holidays or special occasions, especially for anyone who loves soft textures and playful patterns.